Wrangler, you come outside and the vehicle will not move very easily. It's making a squeaking noise without applying the brake, and the emergency brake is off. So you can see when I'm pulling down on this pretty vigorously. Hear that noise? That's the noise you'll hear. So the emergency brake is frozen. But how do I know that? So I come underneath here and see these cables, the emergency brake cables are slack. So that means the problem is inside the drum. Take off the lugs, the wheel is frozen in place. Not that frozen. Take off the caliper bracket right here. There's two 18s in the back. They may be frozen. What you're gonna do is use two wrenches like this. And this T30 right here is probably frozen also. So two options. Use your impact driver. You hit that with a hammer, or put your T30 socket on this, hold the hammer against the back of it, and then hit the hammer with another hammer to loosen it. You can see that I've gotten that loose by spraying it with PB Blaster. It's not totally frayed up yet. And inside here, you can see when you spray the PB Blaster back in there, you're going to see rust in there. Just be careful you don't overspray it and clean everything with brake cleaner. Spray it out, all around where the tip of the nozzle sprayer is, and then put some PB Blaster on there. And now we are good. It's moving freely now. See that? It's not getting hung up anymore. Quick home fix for you if you're so inclined. To reconnect this, all you gotta do is push this up